famous for. I can hear a rumble behind me and in front of me, and what on earth?
Dave, what's going on here? What is all this about?
Nick, we've got a front of a car and a front of a car. I mean, ordinarily, it's like a story. You have a front, a middle, and a back. But we haven't. We've got two front. What are you going to do, Richard? I mean, you can't race this lot. Never. It's ridiculous. It's not.
Dave, there's a guy in the front. There's kind of a guy sitting backwards in the back.
Do you think he's having to steer backwards using the... This is beyond me, Nick Knowles. This is crazy. I'll tell you what though, Nick, whether they're going forwards or backwards, I don't know, but they're putting on quite a pace.
Well, they're very colourful, and my goodness, they do look a little more good now. So come, back's ready to go. I didn't know that anything like this was going to happen. I don't know what these are, really. Where are they going?
None of us do, and they're three abreast, forwards, backwards. Which way are they going? We've got a checkered flag. Somebody is going to win, or is it going to be two cars that win? If you see what I mean. Wow. Well, checkered flag down, Nick Knowles. But which car won? Because each one is two cars. Well done. Brilliant effort. I particularly like the pink one. That one there. Hang on, it all stopped. What's... They're coming the other way!
I did it.
Did you see that?
Dave, what have we left out here?
Well, clearly not. I won't have to send the passengers and steering from the rear here.
Oh, shit, that's a crash, Dave.
This is beyond belief. I've commentated on some silly stuff in my time, Nick Knowles, but this is the silliest it gets.
This is bonkers, Dave. Absolutely bonkers.
I don't know whether they're going forwards or backwards, who's in what car, or how they're doing it, but they're quick. I'll give them that. And we've got a checkered flag for another part of the car to win a race. Well, it's an orange squash ball, that's it. Can I just say, that was utterly ridiculous. And the thing is that I stood here, Nick. Richard, who is our flag marshal, along with Helen, ordinarily will give me some idea of what's going on. But actually, on this occasion, I don't think they've got a clue. Right, let's continue with some stuff now.